Hi, I'm Andrew Newman from Conscious Stories. Welcome to Story Time. Today's story is called Rolling Thunder Finds His Herd. And as you can see, it's a story about horses, and it's illustrated by Alexis Aronson. Welcome to Story Time. This story is dedicated to all who ride. Please join me for the snuggle breathing meditation. Breathing in, I breathe for me. I breathe for you. I breathe for us. I breathe for all that surrounds us. Rolling Thunder, a shiny black horse, was new to the herd. He didn't want to move from his old herd, but he had no choice. I hope I fit in, worried Rolling Thunder, feeling scared and out of place on his first day. I know, thought Rolling Thunder. I'll be their new leader. He strutted around the paddock, pushing in at the water trough and demanding to be first in line for food. Patches the Paint, Zeus the Bay, and Moondash the Chestnut all pointed their ears back and moved out of Rolling Thunder's way, silently throwing their heads up and ignoring him. Soon he was all alone. That didn't work. Patches the Paint, Zeus the Bay, and Moondash the Chestnut all pointed their ears back and moved out of Rolling Thunder's way, silently throwing their heads up and ignoring him. Soon he was all alone. The next day, Rolling Thunder thought, maybe they will like me if I'm timid and shy. So he waited at the back of the line for food and water. He even let the other horses kick and bite him. What's wrong? Asked Gracie, the lead mare, as she quietly wandered past, swishing her chestnut-colored tail. They don't like me, sighed Rolling Thunder. How can they like you? Asked Gracie. They haven't met you. They met your bossy self, and they met your shy self. But what about your real self? On the third day, Rolling Thunder didn't worry what the other horses thought of him. Instead, he focused on his favorite things. He grazed in the grass, galloped in the field, and rolled in the paddock, making a big cloud of dust, just like a thunderstorm. The other horses stopped to watch, enjoying his happy play. That looks like fun, said Patches. I like his style, said Moondash. What's your name? Asked Zeus. Rolling Thunder. Achoo! Rolling Thunder snorted and laughed as he stood up covered in dust. Patches, Moondash, and Zeus whinnied and joined in the laughter as they introduced themselves. Welcome to the herd, said Gracie as she quietly wandered past, swishing her chestnut-colored tail. The end. What happened there? What's your name? Rolling Thunder. Achoo! That's a big sneeze, lots of dust. Rolling Thunder snorted and laughed as he stood up covered in dust. Patches, Moondash, and Zeus whinnied and joined in the laughter as they introduced themselves. Look, he's making friends. Welcome to the herd, said Gracie as she quietly wandered past, swishing her chestnut-colored tail. What a beautiful story about the horses, and thank you to the horses for sharing this story with me to share with you. And here in our little activity page, we have Rolling Thunder's friendly questions, and so we can make new friends, right? Let's see what it is. Number one of Rolling Thunder's favorite things is rolling in the paddock. What is your favorite thing to do outdoors? Ah, it said about that. To get their attention, Rolling Thunder tried being bossy and shy. Was anyone bossy to you today? And how did that make you feel? Did you see anyone who was shy? Mm, did you reach out to connect with them? Patches, Moondash, and Zeus made friends with Rolling Thunder. Did you make any friends today with anyone new? Yeah, maybe it was a new moment of friendship with someone you already know. Rolling Thunder looks different from the other horses. They all look quite unique, don't they? What is something different or unique about you? We can celebrate uniquenesses because we all have them. I'm the only Andrew here who looks like this and sounds like this and talks like this. So, what's your unique quality? Number 5, Rolling Thunder sneezed and laughed at himself playfully. What's one silly thing you did today that you can just laugh at? I do silly things every day. Sometimes I plan them, but often they just happen. I don't even realize it. Where were we? Number 6, Gracie reminded Rolling Thunder to be his real self. She came in and she invited him to do that. Who helps remind you to be your real self? Maybe it's mum, dad, maybe one of the teachers. Maybe you've got a friend who's just always so authentic and real. Feels nice to be around. And number 7, Rolling Thunder felt happiest when he was being his real self. How do you feel when you are your real self? It's like no masks, no games, just out there rolling in the field, huh? This has been story time with me, Andrew Newman from Conscious Stories. Let's have a look and I can show you these are the real horses. So you can meet Zeus and Gracie, but we have pictures. They live at Happy Dog Horse Ranch near Denver, Colorado. And they live with a herd of 40 horses who are the most beautiful horses. And they really gave me the story. And you might see, if you look closely here, there is a horse angel in the sky. Um, this has been story time. The Rolling Thunder finds his herd, reducing anxiety in new environments. We all need a little help with that. Sometimes we go to a new school, we go to a new class, and it's like we don't know anybody yet. And it's like, how are we going to fit in? And maybe it's a new school year. This one is a great story. I hope it helps you to feel relaxed and welcome just as you are. Thanks for joining me.